Need help measuring your blinds? In this video, we will explain how to measure and order blinds for a face fit. If your window has an architrave, start by measuring the width from the outer edges of the architrave to the millimetre. Repeat the same step for the height. For windows without an architrave, measure the width inside of the reveal and add an additional 100mm to your width measurement. You can also determine at your own discretion how much more overlap your blind needs. Now repeat these steps for the height, again adding an additional 100mm to your height measurement. Enter the noted measurements and the specifications of the blind on our website. Ensure that you use the hard measurements that you have taken and do not make any deductions. And your perfectly tailor-made blind will be on its way to you soon. If you need further assistance, book a free video consultation with one of our product specialists.